Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today we've got this Sharp personal blender model SA-FP1001BW active home appliances, 400 ml portable bottle for free, pulse blend, home sports outdoor. You can see some of the fruits that you can choose and use with this blender. 300 watt, PBA free, easy to clean and easy to use. Dishwasher safe, you can use it into your dishwasher, only the plastics of course, not the unit that it has power. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it to make a very nice and tasty and healthy smoothies. We've got the manual, of course. If you want to use it, is your choice. Stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Too many accessories, I like it. On-off switch, nice. Here you can store your cable around. We've got about 1 meter of cable. If you don't want all the cable, you can store it here. Very easy. And use as much cable you want. We've got a rubber fit here, prevent any movement when you're using this unit. I can say it feels very nice to my hand, very durable. Here we've got the plastic bottles. You can use one of this cup and take it with you. Nice. Looks very nice. Around we've got some rubber to prevent any leaks. Same in here. Different cap. Nice. And even you can put it to your bicycle. Why not? To your bag. Take it with you when you're exercising at the gym. Same here, it fits, and here these two caps. Now there is the main unit and the blades that you can connect it here and make some smoothies. Same here, you can use it, and here it depends how much ml you want to do. Maximum 600 ml, and this is 400 ml maximum. You've got a measurement ml here. Nice. And again here we've got some rubber around to prevent any leaks. Washable, you can put it to your dishwasher and wash it. Be careful, this is 4 blades and very sharp. Feels very premium, the plastic. Nice, I like it. And the design. And I think it's time to use it and make some smoothies. And here we are with all these fruits. Bananas, pear, apple, orange, kiwi and tangerine. We are going to blend it with this blender and I think it will become a very tasty smoothie. And there are all the fruits, clean it and ready to use. Such a wonderful and beautiful and healthy picture in this dish. Nice. I will use of course the 600 ml, there are plenty of this. You don't have to put everything inside. We can use some of this and maybe end with the smaller one next. Now I'll take this unit that it fits into the main unit, lock it very good. You can see here we've got the marks, just press and lock. And then with a push of the button, Very easy. Unlock. Take this out and you can fill more of this lovely fruit. And again, press, turn and lock. And very easy, you've got a nice one-way smoothie. I think it's ready, you can unlock. If you need, you can insert some ice inside, why not? Some ice cubes. Press and lock. And very easy, it's done in the job, no problem. It has power, I can say. It is very powerful. And if something it stocks, just maybe it will help you to blend better. Nice. Now let's take this out. And you can insert one of the cups if you need that. Yeah, why not? Carry on with you, take it at your gym, maybe outside, at your work, at the right moment that you want to drink something healthy, and use it. I'm sure it will keep it very fresh until you will drink it. Of course, it will be better to drink it faster. That's how it's not going to lose all the fresh nutrition that they've got all these fruits. Now let's taste it. Very ergonomical. Take this out, drink it, or you can insert this. I can say it was the right choice of fruits that I made this smoothie. Oh, it's so healthy. I like it so much. And you can lock it. Oh, it's so tasty, I like it. Thumbs up, great job. Now let's try and with a smaller one, we've got some of these fruits. I will insert in 2 ice cubes. And again, just press, turn and lock. Because I have inserted 2 ice cubes, it was harder to blend it. But in the end, it was a success. Nice. Insert it always here. Oh, I'm going to drink it with so much pleasure. All that. And of course, if you want, you can try it with tomatoes, let's say with vegetables. Nice. nice. And there we've got a tomato juice. It will be wisely to cut it in a smaller pieces, even the vegetables or the fruits. That's how you will help the blender to make a better and faster blending of the materials. Nice. Wonderful. Well, I'm not so fan of tomato juice, but of course you can make it and a protein. Use this blender, shake it very well, milk and protein, take it with you at your bank, use it at the gym whenever and wherever you want. Very convenient with this cup. Lock it, it will stay there, seal it, will not fall out. Yeah, very nice. And use it at the time you want. And why not making some nuts? You can use it and for this. Well guys, that was all about this sharp blender. I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to enjoy very well this smoothie. Oh, it is so tasty. And definitely at the future I will use this blender making more and more things from fruits, vegetable, protein and nuts and whatever you've got in your mind, and you can blend it. It costs about 25 euros, and if you need something like that, well, just buy it. It is your choice. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.